and post music and stuff that I don't even make. Like this stuff I don't own, so I do put in my video that I don't own it. But
let's throw shit into the ceiling.
I have been giving y'all some juicy videos like gaming and pranking. I tried to like, but
God damn it!
Didn't work out. Like I tried to do my but
fucking alien.
Today I'm gonna take that ceiling fan and choke this in it.
See that?
And
see it?
This is Scarlet.
That's going in there.
Scarlet the Gay Pikachu here. And Join Tanks here, but yeah. Go and get behind this door so you don't get hit.
Gotta split it like that. Oh fuck. Okay, ready.
Okay. You might have to flip. Okay. I'll have to hold it in this way.
Oh my god. Dude, you missed.
Just record for me.
I'm recording. I can't record two cameras.
Yeah, you can. One hand. Make sure you're holding it the right way so that you don't have an upside down video. Oh. We could smash that phone.
They're both in the same recording position.
Okay, you
Yours just set to 1 megapixel. Mine's set to 5 megapixels.
ready?
Yes. Oh, you did break.
Oh, that's okay, because watch this. Keep it at the
Oh.
Oh, it didn't break.
Look, it's a tablet.
Fine, I'll do it directly
It's a twin camera
I'll do it
tablet.
directly on the blade.
Do it again, do it again. I missed the shot.
I did it directly on the blade.
It didn't even break yet. If not, let's just go outside and smash it with a hammer.
Do you think we need to bring the super fan out?
I would say no, because it's going to take you forever to find it. Oh shit, something broke. Oh my god, the wheel! It almost broke apart.
I think it needs a little more super. Okay, let me go put the super fan out. I'm gonna go get it.
Hey, let me set the cameras up. Ow!
What?
God damn it! That motherfucker with my foot! Get that out of my fucking floor! Ah, god damn. Ah, foul language. Dick pic. Oh shit. Okay, one right there and one right here. Wait, they are recording right here. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Wait, where's the power thing to it? Give me, hurry. It's on a minimum recording time. I gotta stop smoking cigarettes. This shit's bad for you. What the fuck? You hear that? You hear that shit? Hey! We had tornado warning. Either that or it's a tornado watch. Yeah, it's a tornado watch. Yeah, that's just a pulse. That's a watch. Yeah! Woo! Shit.
Hey, give me my phone. Is it recording?
Yeah, but I want you to restart it.
Yeah, I wasted way too much space.
Mine can keep recording. I got an SD card. This one's from Nana's, cause smell it. Smell it.
No, I got that out of the trash.
Why does it smell like it?
I don't know. What if the camera widget won't smell? Because I've been having to do it manually.
Damn it, I hate this fucking screwdriver.
Crap.
Okay, we're ready. Woohoo!
Hey guys, Jordan Takes You. I've been doing game videos and stuff, but my computer broke. And I've been posting music and stuff that I don't even make, like...
Here, we're ready. Okay, ready to throw shit in it.
Don't do it yet.
Better hurry, cause mine's about to stop recording.
You'll have to delete this.
Better hurry. Mine's still recording.
I have to put it out.
You got 3 seconds, motherfucker.
Okay, I'll delete it.
Alright, let me do something.
Okay, Jordan Takes You. We're doing another thing. I mean, not a video. My computer. But we're doing a construction video, and here I bought a new fan, and I bought 3 more. So today, that's our super fan, because the other one I'd throw away, it wouldn't work. The motor just broke up. Rest in peace, Superfan. But Superfan 2, I mean, my brother's recording. This should be recording.